Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of 2025 fancy jewelry locket set designs. This year has brought an incredible blend of tradition and innovation, with locket sets that redefine elegance and sophistication. Whether you love classic, vintage styles or modern minimalist trends, lockets have always been cherished as sentimental pieces. But in 2025, they're more than just keepsakes. They're fashion statements. Designers have pushed the boundaries of creativity, incorporating intricate details, innovative materials, and personalization like never before. The trend of custom lockets with engraved initials, meaningful symbols, or even tiny photo projections has taken center stage, making them the perfect blend of emotion and artistry. One of the most captivating trends this year is the rise of holographic lockets. These futuristic designs use advanced technology to display 3D holograms inside the locket, bringing memories to life in a way never seen before. Imagine opening your locket and seeing a moving image of a loved one or a beautiful animation that tells a story. This is the magic of modern jewelry innovation. Another breathtaking trend is nature-inspired locket sets. Floral patterns, delicate vines, and even gemstone-encrusted butterflies are dominating jewelry collections. These designs bring a fresh and elegant look, perfect for those who love organic beauty. Many of these lockets feature hidden compartments for tiny love notes or perfume-infused fabric, adding a personal touch to the wearer's style. Pearl-embedded lockets are making a grand return in 2025, but with a contemporary twist. Instead of traditional pearl settings, designers are experimenting with Baroque pearls, irregularly shaped gems that add a unique artistic appeal. These lockets often come in layered sets, where different chains hold complementing pendants, creating a luxurious stacked effect. For those who love bold and edgy styles, geometric and abstract designs are taking the spotlight. These lockets feature sharp angles, asymmetrical patterns, and a mix of metals like gold, platinum, and black rhodium. Some even incorporate kinetic elements, allowing parts of the locket to move or shift, creating a dynamic and interactive piece of jewelry. Personalization remains a key feature in 2025's locket sets. Beyond traditional engravings, some designs include fingerprint impressions, sound wave patterns of a loved one's voice, or even QR codes that lead to a private video or message. These high-tech lockets are becoming popular gifts, ensuring that memories stay close to the heart in a truly unique way. From futuristic to classic, the locket sets of 2025 offer something for every taste. Stay tuned for more jewelry trends. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.